Title: Introduction to Whole Numbers. Objective: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the concept of whole numbers, identify and classify whole numbers, order and compare whole numbers. Materials: whiteboard or blackboard, markers or chalk, chart paper and markers, worksheets or handouts, number cards or manipulatives optional. Lesson plan. Warm-up 10 minutes. Begin the lesson by asking students to recall their knowledge of numbers and their different types, natural numbers, integers, etc. Engage the students in a brief discussion about the use of numbers in their daily lives. Pose questions to the class, such as what are whole numbers and can you give examples of whole numbers? Explain that whole numbers are used to count objects, represent quantities, and perform basic arithmetic operations. Give examples of whole numbers, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, and 10. Classification of whole numbers, 10 minutes. Discuss the classification of whole numbers into 3 categories: 0, natural numbers, and counting numbers. Define natural numbers as whole numbers greater than 0, 1, 2, 3. Define counting numbers as natural numbers excluding 0, 1, 2, 3. Write these classifications on the board and provide examples. Ordering and comparing whole numbers, 15 minutes. Introduce the concept of ordering and comparing whole numbers. Demonstrate how to order numbers by placing a set of random numbers on the board and asking students to arrange them in ascending or descending order. Of the greater than and less than symbols for comparing whole numbers. Give examples and encourage students to participate in comparing and ordering exercises. Group activity, 15 minutes. Divide the class into small groups. Distribute worksheets or handouts containing a variety of exercises related to whole numbers. Instruct the students to work together to solve the problems and compare their answers within their groups. Circulate around the classroom to provide assistance and address any questions. Recap and conclusion, 5 minutes. Gather the students back together and review the key concepts covered in the lesson. Summarize the importance of whole numbers in everyday life and their relevance to mathematics. Ask students if they have any remaining questions or areas they would like to revisit in future lessons.